Hey guys, check this out. So me and my buddy Dylan are at a beautiful, delicious pond, hoping to see if we can't catch us some largemouth. So you got Dylan. We just got here. Dylan's up there standing. You probably can't see him, but guys, check this delicious pond out. We fly fished in here, I don't know, 2 years ago, and I just reminded him about it. He's like, let's go back and check it out. So, oh, got one. Dylan got one right now. Guys, we're gonna go up. So hang tight, guys. We'll see what he. Largemouth. A little windy, guys. You're gonna hear some wind. Oh yeah. So on the swim bait. Nice job. Did he hit aggressive?
Yeah. Small, but...
Now it doesn't matter. It's still a fish on the board, right?
Yep.
Good job. So maybe they're going to hit. Is that a little bigger, Dylan? Dylan just got a second one, guys. Yep, Dylan just hooked up with his second one. How big? 13 and a quarter. Nice. All right, guys, I just got hooked up with my first largemouth. Yep. Oh, he's a nice one. Yes, baby. That's actually my first largemouth ever, I believe. Look, guys, he hogged into that little Ned rig. Small one, but we'll take him. There, we can get another look, guys. We're gonna put her back in. Nice. Caught that one on the Ned rig. Ned rig. There we go. Oh, guys, we just lost another one, man. He was nice. Just lost another one. Oh, just lost another one. Got another one. Looks like it might be a nice one, Dylan. Swim bait again. Wow. What's that, your third now?
Yeah.
Getting a little bit bigger.
Yep.
Yeah, it is. They're tearing that swim bait up he's throwing. I don't know, Dylan. I might have to put a swim bait on.
Might have to.
Yeah, that's true. Check it out, guys. Got another one on. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Woo, I love it. I needed a day like this. No, Dylan. There you go, guys. On the Ned rig. Like I said, they ain't no monsters, but man, it's nice just catching them. Whew. Thanks to Dylan for taking time to ask this guy if we can fish up here. Haven't been getting out to do a whole lot of fishing, guys, and I do apologize for it. For videos, my wife and I have a small cleaning business, and we've been getting pretty hammered, which is a good thing. So it's making it tough for me to, try to put some videos on. But I do try to get them when I can. And also, we've been getting a whole lot of rain. Our river's up, muddy, high, running fast and nasty. So, but hopefully here in the next couple of weeks, things should get better. Got another one. Dylan just got another one.
Smaller one, I think.
Is it?
I don't know.
Look, pretty decent looking.
Yeah.
Wow, that's number 4 for you. Did you? Small one. Another one, guys. I threw right over by the dock and he took it right as a hit. That was weird. This is a smallmouth. No, that's a largemouth. Here we go, guys. Another small one. Like I said, we'll take them. Sweet. That one must have been laying right over there by that dock. I just threw this Ned rig right over by that dock and he just took it. It's a beautiful piece of ground out here. Oh! Lost him. He seemed to be tearing this Ned rig up. Lost so freaking many of them, it's unreal. Every now and then you gotta pull your bait in here and clean it. It's getting a lot of green sludge stuff all over. Dylan, know where you throw that swim bait? Throw that swim bait right out in front of that dock. I'm telling. I got this gut-wrenching feeling. Most of my hard hits I was getting is right out in front of that dock. I'm telling you, right there. Yep. Try it. Throw it out there once. Guarantee it. That's a fish right there. Am I right?
Yep.
I told you that was a fish. Guys, look at that. I told him to throw out there that it was guaranteed a fish. I didn't say what size, though. But I did say it was a fish, and he got a fish. Uh-oh, had a hit. Yeah, I did. Oh, well, you got one on, I got one on. Yes, we got our double. Oh, this is a pretty nice one. Or is this a bluegill? Nope, it's a largemouth. Yes. Guys, check it out. We got our double.
That's a nice one for this. That's a female. This is a male.
Oh, yeah. She's got a fat little gut on her. Look at her.
Yep, they're spotted.
Look at that, guys.
Yep.
Look at that fat little gut. We got to get her back in there. Hey, look what she has in her.
What?
Oh, this tells us, look, she's eating frogs, baby.
What is it?
That's a frog. Frog's legs.
I got one.
Dylan got another one, guys. Yes. Good, I hope it is. Told you guys, see Dylan has to listen to the old timers now and then. Oh yeah, he's a pretty nice one. Well, at least you know your swim bait does the work. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Now, who's that swim bait that you're made by? Don't you remember?
It's an off-brand. Real cheapy.
Oh well, it's working, right?
Yeah.
All right, something's hung up on my line here. Dylan, I haven't even kept count of them. Not me. I'm actually enjoying catching some fish it's been a while. I caught that one out in the middle. Can you believe that? Oh, there we go. Oh, they're out there too. That's what I do. Look, I keep bouncing it off the bottom.
Can you feel the bottom?
Slightly. You really got to be paying attention for when they hit there. That's what's funny. Oh, that's, yeah, you saved it. You know what's funny? I almost did that earlier. Just admit, Dylan, you're fishing for the dock. Yeah, that's what I said. That's got real nice swimming action to it. Oh, guys, here we go. Here we go. Yes. Right here at the bank he was. Yes. Nice. Small. There we go. I'm gonna tell you what, I ain't gonna change this Ned rig until I quit catching them. If it works, why fix it, right? Dylan's catching them on the swim bait, and I'm taking care of them with the light tackle. Nice one. Huh? Dylan just hooked into another one. Oh, Dylan, check this out. Oh, this is a bigger one. Oh, yeah. The way they fight, man. Holy crap. Look at that.
Second double.
Yes, it is. Second double, baby. You get her unhooked. Bring it up here, Dylan. Look at that. Peyton, if you watch this, eat your heart out, buddy. Tell him, Dylan.
Yep.
Peyton will probably say you're freaking idiots.
He'll probably say, oh, it don't count. It's in a pond.
Yeah, he will.
Hey, still fish.
That's right.
I'll take any fish over no fish.
I'm fishing the middle now. They're hitting out there. Ooh, ooh, they're getting aggressive out there. Oh my God, that was the most craziest hit. That was, I mean, that was like, wow. That was a freaking big largemouth that just hit out there. Hope he didn't break my shit off. Nope. I mean, he come going nuts. That's money right there. That's a fish. Man, I wish I would have got that one that just hit out there. That was insane. Oh, oh, he got off. Oh, I just lost another one right here. How are we losing them like that? I should have had 10 of them by now. But I guess you can't count the ones you lose, huh? There we go. Oh, he got off again. Dylan, I have no clue on how they're getting off. It's crazy. All right, guys, no sooner than I turn the camera off, lo and behold, here's another one. Wow, I'll take this day. Beautiful weather. This is the kind of day the Lord sends you right here, buddy. You get another one. Does it? Dylan got another one. Looks like a pretty nice size one. He put a swim bait back on, and I don't know, Dylan, if I were you, I think I'd fish that thing the whole way around the pond.
I am going to.
That's a pretty nice size one. Yeah. That freaking little, you gotta let me know where you got them. I want to get them.
I got it off, I still have the thing in my, when we get back to the house, I still have the package, so I'll let you know exactly what it is.
Okay. That's a nice, pretty decent one.
Yeah, I got it off that lucky tackle box.
Gotcha. Oh my God, that almost went across the pond. That freaking wind really messes you up when you cast.
Sometimes it'll help you, but sometimes it'll hurt you.
Yeah.
Cast up there.
It puts a big arch in your line. You know what I bet you would work right now? Chatterbait.
Yeah, you let me know when you want to start walking over.
What, to the other side? I watched him come after it. Yep, another one, guys. There we go, guys. Holding on this little fluke swim bait. And I have to tell you, I have to put my hat off to Dylan on that one because he told me to put that on. Watch them chasing it. There we go. Oh yeah, Dylan just hooked into another one right here at the corner. Yes, nice job, Dylan. That one came up aggressive, didn't it? Wow.
Number 9.
Number 9. Make it. You gotta get 10 now to make it even. When you catch 10, we'll leave. Are you?
I cast right along here.
Oh, not up on the grass though.
Oh, right there.
Is that going to be the spot? See if Dylan's right. He said throw right there. Nope. Can't always be right. guys, I got something nice. Oh my goodness. This is a nice one. It has to be, man. He feels heavy. Oh yeah. That's the best one of the for me today. Oh shoot, look at this. Whew. Yes. Yes. Whew. Dylan, thank you again for bringing me up here. It's probably my biggest one for the evening. Awesome. Dylan, you know there's more of these back in the box, but yours is doing just the job. So, wow, okay. I like this setup. Every now and then these young kids can teach somebody a trick. It's very rare though. How do they say that? It's hard to teach an old dog new tricks. You were right though about the corner when you said about coming up here.
Usually this corner is like always
pretty good.
First spot out of there.
Is it?
Oh yeah. Especially
Whoa, what is that what it is?
Yeah.
You get him on the line and you'll know it. I don't know if you guys can see that out there. There's a big old snapper. Oh, one was chasing it. I'll tell you what, man, they're really go crazy over this fluke. Go ahead, I'm gonna follow you here in a minute. Oh, another one just got off, Dylan. Yep. All right, guys, we're gonna head around the corner. I feel confident with this one because we're gonna let our stuff lay over here on the ground. So let's go around here and see if we can't hook into a couple more. Up. Oh, mine just got off. Guys, Dylan just hooked into another one down there at that far corner, and I was reeling, turning the camera on, had one on, but it spit me. Still fish, Dylan. It adds to your numbers. Dylan's into him again. He found the sugar hole. Number 11. This guy will be up to a dozen before long. That's not a bad size one. Yep. Number 11 for you, yeah. Huh? Whoa! Whoa, he smashed it. Did you see that?
Yep. That's probably the nicer one of the day.
That is the nicer one of the day. Dylan, check it out. Get him up on the bank. Oh, shit. Dude, you can smile holding that pig. Dylan, holy shit. Guys, check it out. That's a tank. For the day, I guarantee that's a tank.
For a nice even dozen.
See, that paid off because you were being nice by telling me to jump up in front of you. That is sweet. I had the camera on the whole time for that.